Welcome to Ipack Logistics Corp. You're a trusted partner in worldwide shipping. We receive equipment directly from our customers or straight from auctions, arriving securely on trailers to our facility. Our skilled team carefully dismantles oversized machines, separating components with precision to meet shipping requirements. Draining all the fluids to avoid spillage during shipping. Every part is protected with wood blocks, padding, and materials to prevent damage during transport. Using cranes and forklifts, we load the machinery into containers and secure everything with a 12-point lashing system, ensuring safe international shipping. Once secured, your container is sealed and transported to port for its journey to the final destination safely and on time. At Ipack Logistics Corp., we make heavy machinery shipping simple, secure, and reliable. Subscribe to our channel for insights and follow us on Instagram at Ipack Logistics Corp.